Good morning. I think I slept in too much.
That's okay though, we're gonna make the most of it and get after it. The Yeti and the Element for the electrolytes.
Gotta stay hydrated.
I'm still sore from that Murph. 1 mile, done.
I know you're thinking, why haven't I showered? Relax, I'm going to the gym in an hour.
Oh, these eggs, man. That was clean. Finally getting a haircut today after like 3.5 months. Shout out Jaco.
Hey,
Fire haircut, let's go.